Hey Janvi, how are you?
Hi, how are you? I'm good.
I'm good, thank you. So, how are you doing right now?
Same like as a previous step, do daily routine and just try to maintain my cardio fitness.
That's great. That's awesome. Yeah. So, we are now on the next stage of our workout and scheduling, and you are doing great. That's very awesome. Like you are more aware about your fitness and cardio exercise. So, can we tell me about your now schedule, current schedule and routine?
Right now, I'm doing the my routine. Like for the morning, I'm just going for the job and everything. After coming back at home, I just try to maintain my like I as I told you like that. I just try to maintain my the routine. Like sometimes I'm doing cycling or the jogging, but right now I can't maintain like the previous one. I just try to maintain it for now at a 4 times per week. And yeah, and I'm also going to plan for the gym for the weekends. Yeah.
Okay, so can you please tell me about your food schedule or something like your job schedule so we can correlate and we can proceed about that next.
Honestly saying, in the morning when I'll go for the job, I'll just do the breakfast. I I bring lunch with me, but I don't have that much time in my lunch time. So because of my busy schedule, and yeah, when I'll come back at home, I'll do dinner with my family members.
That's great. That's great.
Yeah.
So can you please tell me about your previous injuries or something you have so we can go with the more intense workout and everything. So I
Yeah.
need to know that.
Before 5 years ago, I have the shoulder dislocation,
Oh,
and since 2014, I have the history of the high blood pressure, and I am taking the medication of it also.
oh, that's great. So right now in control, right?
Yeah,
Everything.
it's in control, but I need to take the medications.
Oh, that's awesome. So, can you please tell me about your current workout that you are doing in the morning or that you are doing in the evening or in your spare time?
Yeah, sure. In my spare time, or if I'll get the time in the evening, then I'll go for the running or jogging, and sometimes I'll just prefer to do the cycling. But yeah, I'm just doing that schedule, maintaining my schedule within 4 days per week. Previously, I just tried to do that thing like 6 week, 6 day per week, and I did that. But now
Yeah.
it's not possible because of my schedule.
Okay, okay. So, as we seen previously that you had some breathlessness and something uneasy movement in your body, like physiological changes you had. So, right now, the same level or you have some improvement?
No, not at all. Right now, I feel like that I'm improving. I don't have any symptoms of like the breathlessness or like I feel like dizziness or something. I'm okay with that. I can do my routine very well, and I'm comfortable with it.
Oh, that's great. That's great. So now we are more focusing on more intense workouts. So according to your goals, right? So what's the basics goal? Now at this stage, we are now at this stage, and we have to go to this level, right? So from this level to this level, like it's level of your, I can say action or something, but we have to maintain that level. So like this maintenance to this maintenance, this is the action and we have to maintain that level. So can you please tell me about those particular goals that you have to maintain, you need to maintain, I can say, throughout the life?
Honestly, I'm just trying to maintain my cardio fitness, and yeah, I'm just going to plan for that. Like, I'm just thinking that within 6 months, I'll just try to reduce my weight,
Hmm.
so it would be like for the continue.
Okay, that's awesome. And we are more focusing on that also.
Yeah,
So
only
not
for
no
that.
nothing at all about worry. And one more thing is, do you feel any error or something uneasy obstacles that resist you to do some more workout or in your day-to-day life? you face any obstacles that is like stopping stop sign, the red signal for your workout. Can you please tell me something about that?
Yeah, yeah, sometimes I feel like that. I think it's because of I like I'm skipping my lunch
Yeah.
in daily routine. I feel like that. I feel like that sometimes dizziness and the breathlessness because of because of not eating my like diet properly.
Yeah.
Maybe because of that. Sometimes also I if I'm tired I can't do anything
Oh.
because of my busy schedule. So I
Hmm.
think these are the obstacles.
Okay, so not getting your food is the major obstacle I can consider, right?
Yeah,
So can you please tell me, because of that you feel any weakness or uneasiness in your body?
yeah, absolutely. I feel like that. I think it's because of the I can't eat proper like nutritious food.
Yeah, definitely.
It may
Yeah.
be because of this. Yeah, I think.
Yeah. So after that, what kind of motivation that you have or you had in the past that motivates you to do some more intense workout to maintain your fitness throughout the life? So, what are those things that motivate you?
Yeah, here I'm living with my friends.
Yeah.
So whenever I get back from job, they are always told me just focus on the food and they take care of my food and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Also my parents always look for my like routine because they are worried about me. So this thing motivates me eventually because of them I just try to maintain my healthy diet food.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it is supportive for me as well as they motivates me for this.
Okay.
And also sometimes my mother she told me to maintain my cardio fitness because like previously I had a history of like breathlessness and something.
Oh, yeah.
So she's worried about me and she told me about this thing.
Okay, okay, that's awesome. The motivation is like great, great factor about you. So now we are the picture is clear as we discussed. Like you need more. Sorry, you need more cardio fitness, aerobic. You are doing well. Like you are doing cycling and all kind of activities.
Yeah.
So just we need to do maintain that throughout your life or throughout your goals at the end of your goal, like till the end of your goal. Once you achieve, that's it. And then the maintenance, that maintain level will begin. So we have to maintain from this stage to this stage, and then this is the maintenance. That's it. So we are now, as it is, we are focusing on your cardio fitness, your daily routine, and we are more adding the variation in your workout. So you will be okay. And yeah, you want to
I
say
have
something?
questions if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually I'm just thinking that as my routine is going on, like I
Yeah.
feel like I sometimes feel like that. Is that possible? Like should I maintain my routine or should I need some modifications in that? Can you just give me some guidance?
Yeah. That's awesome that you have one that the doubt and you share with me. That's the biggest achievement for me as a client and coach. So yes, you can add some variation in your workout, or you can go with the same level or intensity or the level, right? It's up to you. For like for a change, for a more entertainment, we can add some like variation. Like if you are doing cycling, then there are many types of cycling: the steady cycles, the gym cycle, and the like morning as we are doing that, right?
Yeah,
You
we
know
do
that.
normal, right? Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah. So, and as like doing, we can go for the treadmill also. If you are, if when you are going back to the gym, you can go for the treadmill and everything, right? Even at home, we have ladders. You can go for the steppers also. So that kind of aerobic variation, if you will have, then you will get flavor in your workout.
Sure.
So it will be not boring. It will be all interesting throughout your workout and throughout your goal. And maintenance is like once you started, you will not stop. That's the maintenance level.
Okay.
And we are more focusing on that. The day by day, you are at the plateau level, you will be there,
Thank
right?
you.
You will be maintained throughout your life. So that's our
Okay.
aim and that's our goal. So automatically you will achieve your goal by the maintenance level. So hope this will help you. And thank you so much for sharing everything and every information like about your history and right now what are you doing, current goal and your doubt especially. So thank you so much for your time
Yeah,
and thank
no
you so much.
problem.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time.